Hi friends, Nenu Sairam. Welcome to my YouTube channel MSR classes. LIC AAO practice sets. Today is set 6. Right, Quant and reasoning. Rendu mixed sessions cheddam, right? Previous 5 sessions ఎవరైతే వాచ్ చేయలేదో ఆ సెషన్స్ కూడా వాచ్ చేయండి. అలాగే క్వశ్చన్స్ పీడిఎఫ్ కావాలి అంటే టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్ ఎంఎస్ఆర్ క్లాసెస్ వైటీ అనే టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వండి సో దట్ యూ కెన్ యాక్సెస్ ద పీడిఎఫ్ ఆల్సో, రైట్? ఎస్, సో క్వశ్చన్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. టుడేస్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Mixture A contains 80% of acetone and the rest 32 liters of water. Mixture B contains 72 liters of acetone and the rest 55% water. When two mixtures are mixed, then find the ratio of acetone to water in the resultant. Right, two mixtures, acetone and water. Acetone and water. Mixture first, mixture A lo acetone 80%, remaining 20% 32. 4 times 128. Then next 72 acetone, which is a 45%. 45% value 72 చెప్తున్నారు. అలా అయితే remaining 55%. 5 9 times 5 11 times 9 8 times 88. రెండింటిని మిక్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత 200 120 plus 70 190 200, right? 90 plus 30 120. 4:3 5:3, sorry, 4 5 times 3 times 5:3. Option C is the final answer for this question. Done. Alright, next question. R takes 32 days to complete a work while A can complete the same work in 12 days less than R. If we can complete 25% of the work, then find the time taken by to complete 61.25, right? Yes. R ఒక్కళ్ళే వర్క్ చేస్తే 32 days. ఏ ఒక్కళ్ళే వర్క్ చేస్తే 12 days less than R, which means 20 days. B 25 1/4 అంటే total 480. 480 is the LCM. 15 times 24 10. Total efficiency 20 30 40 49 units. నాకు కంప్లీట్ చేయాల్సింది 61.25%. 61 1/4, which is 245. 400కి 245 చేయాలట. 400కి 245. అలా అయితే నాకు 480 is the total work. Done. 40 అంటే 24.5, 80 అంటే 24.5, డబల్ 49 యాడ్ చేస్తే 294. అండ్ టైం టేకెన్ 294 యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్ విత్ 49. 9 6 times 54, 49 6 times 24 29. Then 6 days. 6 days. Option E is the final answer for this question. Done. Right, next question. 2 dice were tossed simultaneously. Find the probability that some of the numbers obtained on 2 dice is prime numbers. Right, prime numbers నాకు వచ్చేవి 2 3 5 7 11, right? These are the prime numbers I can obtain. 2 రావాలి అంటే 1 1 ప్లేస్ చేయొచ్చు, 1 తో 2 ప్లేస్ చేయొచ్చు, 1 తో 4 1 6, రైట్? 2 1 2 3 2 5, then 3 2 3 4, done. 4 3 4 1 4 3 4 1 4 3. Next 5 2 5 6 6 1 6 5. Right, these are the combinations. We can get 2 3 5 7 prime numbers as a sum. Total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Required probability favorable outcomes 15, total outcome 6 into 6 36. Done. 3 5 times 3 12 times 5 by 12. Option A is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. A dog takes 5 leaps for every 4 leaps of frog. If 1 leap of dog is equal to 2 leaps of a frog, 1 leap of dog is equal to 2 leaps of a frog, then find the ratio of speed of dog to frog. 5 leaps, 1 leap, okay, 5 leaps of dog will be 10 leaps of a frog. Required ratio 10 leaps of a frog is to 4 leaps of a frog, which is 5:2. Option D is the final answer for this question. Done. Anderson is cycling at an average 12 km/h such that he can reach a certain point 12 noon. 20 km/h, then he can reach, okay, let the distance be d. 2 hours తక్కువ టైం పడుతుంది స్పీడ్ పెరిగినందువల్ల. రైట్, d by 12 minus d by 20 is 2. 60 is the LCM. 5 minus 3, 2d. Distance is equal to 60 kilometers. Distance is 60 kilometers. 60 kilometers 12 km/h తో 12 km/h స్పీడ్ తో 12 noon కి వెళ్ళాలి అంటే traveling time is 60 upon 12, 5 hours. 5 hours అంటే starting time is 7 AM. 11 AM డెస్టినేషన్ అంటే 12 AM కన్నా 1 hour తగ్గాలి అంటే 4 hours లో వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. నౌ టైం 4 hours లో వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. రైట్, సో స్పీడ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నారు. స్పీడ్ ఈజ్ డిస్టెన్స్ అపాన్ టైం టేకెన్. 15 km/h. 15 km/h is my final answer. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Done. Starting time అవసరం లేదు మనకి. 12 AM కి రీచ్ అవుతుంటే 5 hours టైం పడుతుంది అంటే 11 AM కి రీచ్ అవ్వాలి అంటే 4 hours, 1 hour తక్కువ పెట్టింది. రైట్, ఎస్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, puzzles. Answer the questions based on the information given below. 8 persons sit in a linear row facing north but not necessarily in the same order. The distance between any two adjacent persons is 10. The distance between T2 and T5 is at most T2 and T5 at most 30 అంటే less than or equal to 2 members ఉండాలి. For suppose no members అయితే 10 meters, 1 member అయితే ఇంకొక 20 meters, at most 30 members అంటే 30 meters అంటే maximum 2 members ఉండాలి వాళ్ళిద్దరి మధ్యలో. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్, no one sit to the left of T5. Right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. T5 కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లో T2 no person gap less than or equal to 2 అన్నారు కదా. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. T5 T2. T5 T2. Maximum 3%, 2% అయిపోయారు, right? Next, the distance between T2 and T3 is 20 meters. T2 and T3 20 meters అంటే 1% gap, right? 1% T3, 1% T3. T3 can be here or here. At most 3% sit to the right of T3, right? T3 ఇక్కడ రావాలి, T3 ఇక్కడ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ లేదు, right? 1% gap, maximum 3%. At most 3% sits to the right of T3. T3 కి రైట్ సైడ్ లో maximum, ఓకే, T3 3%, ఇక్కడ 4% అయిపోయారు, ఈ కండిషన్ పోయింది. Maximum 3, minimum 2. The distance between T4 and T7 is 20 meters. T4 T7 కి మధ్యలో 1% గ్యాప్ ఉండాలి, రైట్? T4 T7, T4 T7, T4 T7. The distance between T4 and T1 is more than T4 and T1 is greater than 1%. As many persons sits to the left of T6 as to the right of T3. T3 కి రైట్ సైడ్ లో 3 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లో 3 మెంబర్స్. T6 2 మెంబర్స్, 2 మెంబర్స్ T6. Then T6 and T8 is 10 meters. T6 and T8 is 10 meters. So అయిపోయింది. Next, T4 T7 T1. For suppose T4 ని కనుక ఇలా రాస్తే greater than 1% వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ లేదు, అందుకని T4 T7. Then this is my final answer for this question. Done, right? Next questions ఉన్నాయి, so solve చేసుకోండి. Next question, the speed of boat B in still water is equal to upstream speed of boat A, right? Boat A upstream speed m minus s, right? Boat B వచ్చేసి still water speed is m minus s, still water, ఇక్కడ upstream. Done. Downstream in 7.5 hours. Downstream 180 upon m plus m minus s is the boat speed plus s is equal to 7.5. M value 7.5, 2 times 15, 30, 4 times 24. Then find the speed of boat in A in still water. 25%, దీనిలో 1/4 value 6 kmph. 6 kmph. Option C is the final answer for this question. Done, right? Next, the curved surface area of a cylinder whose radius and base and height are in the ratio. Is curved surface area 2 pi RH. Radius is 5a, height is 2a. 5 2 times 10, 0 gets cancelled. 22 1 time 22, 14 times 2, 7 times a value 7. Radius is 35, height is 14. If the circumference of base of cone is less than that of the cylinder, then find the radius of the base of the cone. Circumference of cone is 132 less than that of cylinder. Circumference of base of cone కోన్ బేస్ అన్న సర్కంఫరెన్స్ సిలిండర్ బేస్ అన్న రెండు సర్కిలే. సర్కిల్ సర్కంఫరెన్స్ 2πr, (22/7) into 35, 132 less than 2 into 22/7 radius ఎంతో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, which is 7 5 times 220 minus 132, 220 minus 132, right, 88, 44, 2 times radius is 14 centimeters. Base radius of the cone is 14 centimeters. Option E is the final answer for this question. Done. Right. Next. The percentage profit earned by selling article A for is equal to loss incurred on selling. Right. Profit is equal to loss. ఇలా అయితే selling cost price is average of selling prices. Average of selling prices, which is 2800 plus 2200, 5000, 2500. Cost price is. Find the selling price when another article B whose cost price is 700 more than that of, okay, article B cost price is 2500 మీద 700 అంటే 3200. sold at 15% profit. Selling price కావాలి, cost price plus 15%, 10% 320, 5% 160. Then 3680. 3680 option A is the final answer for this question. Done. Right. Next question. When 12 years is subtracted from the present age of B and obtained result is divided by 3, the present age of his nephew is obtained. Nephew age ఏం చెప్తున్నారు, B లో నుంచి 12 సబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసి దాన్ని డివైడెడ్ బై 3 చేయమంటున్నారు. రైట్. If the present age of nephew is 4 years less than present age of Vipul's son 16 years old, 4 years less ante 12 is equal to V minus 12 upon 3. Find the present age of B. V is equal to 12, 3 times 36 plus 12, 48 years. 48 years, option C is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. Pile invested at 3% simple interest and 4% compound interest. What is the total interest after 2 years? Right, 2 years simple interest 3%, and simple interest is 6% of 4300, which is 24 plus 18 to 58. Compound interest is 4% 2 years, 4 plus 4 plus 4 into 4 upon 8.16. 8.16% of 5050, right, into 100 divided by 2, 408, which is 666. Option C is the final answer for this question. Done. Yes. Next. Answer the questions. Okay, 10 boxes are kept in 2 stacks, stack P and stack Q. Bottommost is numbered as 1, topmost stack P is west of. All the boxes are of same dimensions. Right. Information. P and Q. Total 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. It is known that a box is kept 1, 2, 3 above another box. Both are same stack. Same stack lo unnai. If it is given that keep adjacent to each other, same position unless, right? Okay, same stack లో same position లో place చేయాలి. H is kept one box below I కి below H one box. Both I and H are prime numbered box. I and H are prime numbered boxes. H is kept one box below I. Right, prime number box. Second condition, 5 4 3 2 1. I and H. Right, G is kept 3 boxes below A. 3 boxes below A. G is neither kept adjacent to I nor H. I కి adjacent లో గానీ H కి adjacent లో గానీ లేదుట. సో A and G ఇలా ప్లేస్ అవుతాయి. A and G. Done. J is, wait, F is kept one box above B. But not in the same stack as of G. G లో ఉన్న stack లో కాదు. సో F and B ఇక్కడ రావాలి, దీనిలో అయితే F and B ఇక్కడ రావాలి. Done. J is kept one box above D but not in the same stack. J is kept one box above D. D ki one box above J. D ki one box above J. Neither C nor E is kept in stack P. Stack P లో రాకూడదుట. సో ఈ కండిషన్ పోయింది. I and A are not kept in the same stack. I and A different stacks లో వచ్చేసాయి. సో C, E or C. Then this is my final answer. Right. Here is the questions. Solve చేసుకోండి. Next. Answer the questions based on the information given below. The given table shows the mother tongue of number of people surveyed in. Some of the data while are missing. You have to find the missing data and answer accordingly. Done. First of all, missing data find out చేద్దాం. సో I value find out చేయొచ్చు నాకు. Totals కాబట్టి 7 4 11 18 26 27 28 20. Done. ఇక్కడ చూడండి 740 పోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ 760 740 అంటే ఇక్కడ 20 ఎక్స్ట్రా. 800 40 ఎక్స్ట్రా. 480 plus 20 which is 500 540. D value is 540. Then C value find out చేయొచ్చు. Right, 200 400 420 అంటే ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ 120. Then B value find out చేద్దాం. 120 240 360 460 520. 760 minus 520 which is 760 minus 520 240. 240 160 400 560 180. Correct. Then yes, 180 120 300 380. E value 100. 200, 340, 240, 240, 480, 580, 740 minus 580, 600, 140, 160, 160, 160, and 320, 320 plus 200, 520, 840 minus 520, which is 320. 120, 160, 280, 280, 300, 600, 200. 200 it's set in the 300, 300 plus 240, 540, yes, 700. So this is my final table. Then yes, so questions like inka. Here are the questions. Find the value of A. A is 180, option A. B is to H. B 240, 320, 240, 320, 8 3 times, 4 times, option D. G is how much percentage more or less than F? G and F. 200, 160, 40. 40 upon 160 into 100, 1 by 4, 25%, option E. Done. Next, find the value of D, 540, option C. I divided by C, 2820 upon C, 120 to E, 100. 12 2 times 24, 42, 12 3 times 36, 5, 2350. 2350, option D is the final answer for this question. Done. Right. Next. Statement and conclusions. M less than or equal to M దగ్గర నుంచి E కి వెళ్ళాలి అంటే M, K, Q, Q, L, G, G, F, E greater than or equal to, right, M is equal to K, K less than Q, Q less than L, less than వచ్చేసింది, సో పోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ L నుంచి O వెళ్ళాలి, L, Q, Q, right, L is greater than Q, Q is greater than K, K is equal to M, M less than or equal to O, false. D greater than M, D నుంచి M కు వెళ్ళాలి, D నుంచి E, F, G, G, L, Q, Q, K, M. D greater than E greater than or equal to F is equal to G is equal to L greater than Q greater than K greater is equal to M. And the forward greater than option 3. Only 3 follows. Option A is the final answer for this question. Then next, P greater than U. P, Q, P, Q, S, S దగ్గర నుంచి వెళ్ళాలి, రెండు ఆపోజిట్ సింబల్స్ వచ్చి ఫాల్స్. U greater than or equal to X. S greater than G greater than or equal to R. R is equal to Q. S నుంచి G కి వెళ్ళాలి, రైట్. S greater than or equal to T, T greater than U, U greater than or equal to B, B is equal to W, W is equal to X, X greater than G, right, S నుంచి G. 2 and 3, option D is the final answer. Done. Right. D greater than or equal to K. D greater than or equal to C. D is equal to E greater than F. Okay. D is equal to E greater than F is equal to J greater than L is equal to K. Greater than, which this is false. I less than D. I నుంచి D కి D J. Okay. K is equal to L. I కి వెళ్ళాలి కదా, greater than or equal to I. Done. D greater than or equal to I is less than. Yes, this is also true. Done. This is true. Next, L greater than. I నుంచి D కి చూస్తున్నాం, right? Yes, అన్ని greater than ఉన్నాయి, less than. L greater than B. L is equal to L less than J. J is equal to F. F less than E. E is equal to D. D greater than or equal to C is equal to B. రెండు opposite symbols ఉన్నాయి. Next one. A family of 9 members consists of 3 generations and 4 married couples. Only one is unmarried female. Either none or both are alive. Either none or both parents are alive. Then L is the mother of S. L is the mother of S, who is not a female member. S is a male member. A is the father of Z. A is the father of Z. And he is married to N. A is married to N. G is the father-in-law of D. G is the father-in-law of D. And is a brother-in-law of K. And is a brother-in-law of K. G is a brother-in-law of K. M is the only child of Z. M is the only child of Z. K is a son-in-law of N. K is a son-in-law of N. Then D is brother-in-law of K. G is brother-in-law of K. Then A has only one daughter. One daughter, right? So L. Next, yes. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. G is the father-in-law of D. Only one unmarried female. Only one unmarried female. L. Which of the following married couples? LG, right? ZK, SD. All three, all of them. Option B is the final answer. Then next one. Read the following information and answer the questions. Shatabdi Express is going from Delhi to Kanpur. After traveling 250 km due to some failure in its engine, it reduces its speed by 25. So it arrived Kanpur 2.5 hours late. But if the failure in the engine had been 150 further, 2 minutes late. So actually total distance D అనుకుందాం. ఆఫ్టర్ ట్రావెలింగ్ 250 అంటే 250 ట్రావెల్ చేశారు. ఇక్కడ యాక్సిడెంట్ అవ్వడం, ఫెయిల్యూర్ ఇంజిన్ అవ్వడం వల్ల ఇట్ రెడ్యూసెస్ ఇట్స్ స్పీడ్ బై డిస్టెన్స్ డి. ఒరిజినల్ స్పీడ్ 100A అనుకుంటున్నా, రైట్? రెడ్యూస్డ్ స్పీడ్ 75A. then distance minus 250 upon 75a minus distance minus 250 upon 100a is 2.5 hours. Then d minus 250 common తీస్తే LCM is 300a. 4 minus 3 1 2.5. D is equal to 25 3 times 75 750a plus 250. This is my first condition. Second condition లో ఇంకొక 150 కిలోమీటర్స్ ముందరికి వెళ్తే అంటే ఇంకొక ఆల్రెడీ 250 కిలోమీటర్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేశారు, ఇంకో 150 అంటే 400. D minus 400 upon 100a is equal to 2 hours. 2 hours late. D minus 400 common చేస్తే 300 1 ఇక్కడ నుంచి D is equal to 600 plus 400 600a plus 400. ఈ రెండు వాల్యూస్ ఈక్వల్ distances. 750a plus 250 is equal to right 150a is equal to 150, a value 1. Then distance is equal to 600 plus 400 1000 kilometers. Distance is 1000 kilometers. Done. Yes, distance 1000, speed 100. Distance is 1000 kilometers. Speed is 100 kmph. Done. Shatabdi Express with its original speed can cross another train Kala Express opposite direction twice the length of in 30 seconds. Right, Shatabdi cross a pole in length of Shatabdi is distance into time taken. kmph లో ఉన్నది మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసే 500 మీటర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ కాలా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. కాలా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ కాల్కా length is twice that of Shatabdi, which is 1000 meters. Then total 1500 meters cross చేయడానికి నాకు పట్టిన టైం 30. స్పీడ్ 100 ప్లస్ కల్కా స్పీడ్ k అనుకుంటే which is into 5/18. 5 times 15 10, k value 80 kmph, correct? Yes. So this is my total information. Kalka length తెలుసు, Kalka speed తెలుసు, Shatabdi speed తెలుసు, అలాగే ఢిల్లీ టు కాన్పూర్ డిస్టెన్స్ తెలుసు. రైట్, క్వశ్చన్స్ లో వెళ్ళిపోదాం. ఇంకా హియర్ ఇస్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్. If Shatabdi Express travels with 50% of its original speed 100, ఇప్పుడు ట్రావెల్ చేసేది 50 తో, కాన్పూర్ రైట్ టైం టేకెన్ ఈజ్ 1000 kilometers 20 hours. Option D. Okay, time taken is 1000 upon 80. 100 by 8, 12.5 hours. 12.5 hours, option B. How much time Shatabdi to cross a platform whose length is equal to the length of Shatabdi Express? So total distance 1000 meters. Time is equal to 1000 meters upon 100 meter per second ante 5/18. Then 000052 2 times 18 2 times 36 seconds. 36 seconds. Option D is the final answer. Done. Next one. If another train whose speed is equal to half of the Kala Express and the length of Shatabdi Express, half of the length of Shatabdi Express, okay, crosses a platform thrice of this length, find the okay time taken to cross the platform, right? Speed is half of ante 40 kmph. Length is half of Shatabdi, which is 250. Platform length is thrice 750. Then to cross this platform, time taken is distance total 1000 meters. 40 into 5 by 18. 20, 25 times 18, 5 times 90. 90 seconds is my final answer. Option A. Speed of Shatabdi and Kala. Okay, 180, which is 5:4. Option B. Done. Right. Next questions. Answer the questions based on the information given below. 7 books have different costs. Only Z is cheaper than T. Total 7 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only Z is cheaper than T. Right. Cheapest value, costliest. W is costlier than V, which is immediately costlier than Y. X is costlier than Y. U is cheaper than both W and X. U is cheaper but not costlier than V. U is cheaper than W and X but costlier than V. V kante costlier, right? Yes. So V by U, W or X, X or W. This is my final value, right? If T costs 500, U costs 650. U costs 650. This is 500. Cannot be the possible cost of B. B cannot be possible. It's 500 nunchi 650 loop 700. Option B. Done. Sixth cheapest book. Cheapest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cannot be determined. Either A or B. W or X. Either A or B. Done. Right. Next. 10 buses are parked around a circular park equidistant from each other such that all buses facing towards the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bus T is second to right of N. N is second to the right. 2 buses are between N and Q. Q may be here, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N, T, 1, 2, Q. Then V is immediate right of U, which is immediate right of S. S ki immediate right lo U, U ki immediate right lo V. Then neither V nor S is adjacent to Q or N. V or S is not adjacent to Q or N. Bus O is second to left of M. O is second to left of M. M is not adjacent to T. V does not opposite to Q. Q ki opposite lo V unnakodu, right? Yes. S U V position ledu. S U V. V gani S gani N ki gani Q gani immediate. S U V. ఇలా ప్లేస్ చేయకూడదు ఎందుకంటే ఎన్ అండ్ ఎస్ రెండు ఆపోజిట్ లో వచ్చేస్తున్నాయి. నెక్స్ట్ ఎస్ యు వి, రైట్. వి ఈజ్ నాట్ ఆపోజిట్ టు క్యూ. V కి ఆపోజిట్ లో క్యూ ఉండకూడదు, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ S U V. This is my only case. Next S U V. None. M ki second to the left lo O. M ki second to the left lo O. M ki second to the left lo O. M ki second to the left position ledu. M ki second to the left. M and T are not opposite or adjacent. Last P R P. This is my final solution, right? Yes. Yes. So questions solve చేసుకోండి, right? So here ends the session. నా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఏమైనా నచ్చితే ప్లీజ్ ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, అలాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేసుకోండి, రైట్? అలాగే నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో అప్డేట్స్ కోసం కంపల్సరీగా నా ఛానల్ అయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని ఉంచుకోండి. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.